guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, you know what, I love hamburgers, but today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious and simple chicken burger. If you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers, and don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. These chicken burgers are going to be packed with so much flavor, you guys. So I'm going to start off by chopping up a half a cup of onions. And you know, no recipe is ever complete unless I'm bringing in some garlic. So I'm going to go ahead and chop 3 garlic cloves. And to add some freshness, I went ahead and rinsed really quick, and now I'm going to chop 1/3 of a cup of some fresh parsley. So I'm going to use 1 pound of ground chicken, and you can easily find it at the store, and I'm just going to add it to a large bowl. And I'm just going to take a fork and just break it up really quick, but let's add a lot of amazing flavor. So I'm going to crack 1 egg. I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of Italian breadcrumbs, add those onions that I chopped up earlier along with the garlic. And if you haven't had a hamburger with a packet of ranch seasoning, I definitely recommend it. Go ahead and add the fresh parsley, sea salt, black pepper, and at the end, onion and garlic powder. And mix the meat and all those ingredients together. And to make sure the patties are around the same size, I like to pat it down and divide it into 4 parts. And just scoop out each section and begin making your chicken patties. So I'm done with my chicken patties, and let's head on over to the stove because I'm already heating up some avocado oil over medium-high heat. And I'm going to add 2 patties at a time, and I'm going to let these cook between 6 and 7 minutes on each side. Okay, the patties are done, and they smell as good as they look. Golden brown and absolutely delicious. So we're almost done, and I went ahead and I buttered both sides of the bun, and I'm going to go ahead and toast it on the grill. Okay, so let's start building up our chicken burger, and you can add whatever toppings that you like. Now me, I'm going to add some mayonnaise on the bun. I have some fresh lettuce. I'm going to go ahead and add a chicken patty. Now I love cheese, so I'm going to add a slice of cheddar cheese, some red onions. But guess what? Just like In-N-Out, I'm going to add a double chicken burger, and I'm going to add the same toppings. And you just add the bun on top. Listen, you guys, this chicken burger was so good. Chicken can be a little bland, but with all that flavor that we added, it was the best burger you will probably eat. You have to give this recipe a try. But we are all done, you guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. It will help out the algorithm. Share this recipe with everybody you know. I have a new channel. It's called April Time. I would love it if you subscribe to it. And if you give this recipe a try, please comment down below and let me know what you think. you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.